The year is 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Businesses are leveraging AI to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. Governments are investing heavily in AI research and development, recognizing its potential to drive economic growth and solve societal problems. This rapid advancement in AI technology is not without its concerns. The potential for job displacement is a significant worry for many. Despite these challenges, the AI revolution presents an opportunity to create a more prosperous and equitable future for all. By embracing AI's potential while addressing its ethical and societal implications, we can harness its power to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. The integration of AI into various industries is reshaping the job market. Some sectors are experiencing significant disruption, while others are witnessing the creation of entirely new roles. Jobs that involve repetitive, rule-based tasks are most susceptible to automation. This includes roles in manufacturing, data entry, and customer service. As AI-powered systems become more adept at handling these tasks, companies are finding it more cost-effective to automate. However, the rise of AI is also creating new opportunities. The development, implementation, and maintenance of AI systems require a skilled workforce. This has led to a surge in demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and software engineers. AI is also transforming existing jobs, augmenting human capabilities. The key to navigating these changes lies in adaptability and upskilling. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play in providing access to affordable and relevant training programs. The healthcare industry is undergoing a profound transformation fueled by the rapid advancement of AI. From diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments, AI is poised to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. One of the most promising applications of AI in healthcare is in medical imaging. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy, often surpassing human radiologists. This has the potential to significantly improve early diagnosis and treatment. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies at an unprecedented pace. AI is accelerating this process by analyzing vast data sets of biological information. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are providing patients with 24/7 access to medical information and support. AI is also being used to personalize treatment plans based on a patient's individual needs and medical history. Concerns about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the ethical implications of AI decision-making need to be carefully addressed. However, the potential benefits of AI in healthcare are immense. The financial industry, built on data analysis and risk assessment, is ripe for AI disruption. AI's ability to process vast amounts of financial data and identify patterns is transforming the way financial institutions operate. One of the most significant impacts of AI in finance is in the area of fraud detection and prevention. AI algorithms can analyze millions of transactions in real time, identifying suspicious activities. AI is also changing the landscape of investment management. Robo-advisors powered by AI algorithms are providing investors with personalized investment advice. AI is being used by financial institutions to improve credit scoring and lending decisions. By analyzing alternative data sources, AI algorithms can provide a more comprehensive assessment of an individual's creditworthiness. Embracing these technological advancements will be crucial for financial institutions to remain competitive. Section 5: AI in Manufacturing Automation and Beyond. The manufacturing industry is no stranger to automation. However, the rise of AI is taking automation to a whole new level, transforming factories into intelligent ecosystems. AI-powered robots are now capable of performing a wider range of tasks. These robots can learn from experience, adapt to changing conditions, and work alongside human operators. AI is also being used to optimize supply chains and reduce waste. By analyzing data from sensors, AI algorithms can predict demand, optimize inventory levels, and identify potential bottlenecks. AI is enabling the rise of personalized manufacturing, where products are tailored to individual customers. By analyzing customer data, manufacturers can create customized products. Concerns about job displacement, cybersecurity risks, and the need for upskilling the workforce need to be addressed. However, the potential benefits of AI in manufacturing are immense. Section 6. The AI arms race, China versus the US. The development and deployment of AI have become a strategic imperative for nations worldwide. The United States and China are emerging as the dominant players in this global AI arms race. The United States, with its world-leading technology companies and research institutions, has long been at the forefront of AI innovation. Silicon Valley, home to tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Amazon, has become synonymous with AI breakthroughs. China, on the other hand, has emerged as a formidable competitor in the AI arena. With its vast datasets, rapidly growing tech sector, and a government that has identified AI as a national priority, China is making significant strides. The competition between the United States and China in AI is not just about technological superiority, it's also about economic dominance, military power, and global influence. Both countries recognize that AI will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the global order. This competition, while intense, also presents opportunities for collaboration. By working together, the United States and China can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous and sustainable future. Section 7. Thriving in the age of AI skills for the future. As AI continues to reshape the job market, it is becoming increasingly clear that the skills needed to thrive are changing. While technical skills in areas such as computer science, data analysis, and AI development are in high demand, it is equally important to cultivate uniquely human skills. Creativity will be a highly sought-after skill in the AI era. Critical thinking and problem-solving abilities will also be crucial. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions and the emotions of others, will become even more important. Individuals who can build strong relationships, communicate effectively, and navigate complex interpersonal dynamics will be highly valued. Lifelong learning is no longer a luxury but a necessity in the age of AI. The rapid pace of technological advancements requires individuals to continuously update their skills and knowledge. Embracing a growth mindset and being adaptable to change will be essential for success. Section 8. Preparing for the future. Embracing the AI revolution. The AI revolution is upon us, and it is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. While the future may seem uncertain, there are steps we can take to embrace these changes and thrive. It is crucial to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI and their potential impact on your industry and career. Identify your strengths and weaknesses in the context of AI. If you excel in areas that require creativity, critical thinking, or emotional intelligence, focus on honing those skills. Embrace lifelong learning as a continuous journey rather than a destination. Seek out online courses, boot camps, or degree programs that align with your interests and career goals. Don't be afraid to experiment with new technologies. The more comfortable you are with using AI-powered tools and platforms, the better equipped you will be to thrive. By embracing a collaborative and ethical approach to AI development and deployment, we can create a future where humans and machines work together to solve the world's most pressing problems.